Primarily we do industrial contracting, so a lot of our clients, big oil companies, we handle all their remediation needs, some civil construction, but we specialize a lot of soil stabilization and general industrial excavation contracting. As a project manager, I do just about everything from field operations to cost control to labor disputes. So a little bit of everything. I mean, especially this project, it's kind of unique to our scope. It's kind of more mine reclamation and seeding rather than being in a refinery type setting, doing bulk excavation there. Well, we're in the final stages of mine reclamation from McKinley Mine. So our client, they basically had a 67,000 acre coal mine, and as they took coal, they did reclamation in steps, and then when they shut down, left, another contractor came in, kind of finished out the bulk reclamation, and now we're in doing the final touches of the drainage channels, erosion control, seeding. Another example, they took out part of the rail line and we're reclaiming and shaping and contouring that as well. So it's a bunch of different projects, and it's more the final maintenance stages of the cycle, so they get bond release.
How much material are you going to move in the time that you're here, do you think?
Probably 500,000 cubic yards.
Okay. So how much equipment, how much manpower does it take to do that?
It depends on the scope and location. I'll give you an example. Back in January, we were up to 19 articulated trucks, I think 7 excavators, and then support equipment, water trucks, motor graders. Okay. Right now, we're on a small rail corridor, so that's an excavator and 2 trucks. But it really depends.
When did you start using Komatsu equipment?
I met up with Eric, and we were able to work out a great deal, and I really liked Eric's service, coming out, checking in, and we started out with one loader, probably one loader and a dozer, and shipped out pretty much brand new, plastic on the seats, and that. This is a very, the client that we work for is very environmentally sensitive. So one drop of antifreeze lies on the ground, that's a report. You have to report that. Then we go through investigations, and it's very time consuming. So it's very important to me and my superintendent the equipment's in good shape, and Komatsu was able to provide that. And so it started out with a loader and a dozer, and it suddenly grew to 7 300s. We got 6 400s. 2 motor graders, we have a loader, we had 2 dozers, and we had 2 excavators. RECON itself, we own a lot of D65s with low ground pressure machines for doing the landfill caps. And I've used them on other projects. Comparatively, they're some of the finest pieces of equipment I've been able to use. This one's been a great, very customer service oriented.
Okay.
If you need something, he'll answer the phone 8 o'clock on a Friday night, 7 o'clock morning on a Sunday. So.
Okay. Good. One thing is they keep a technician on site for you at all times.
That's huge. Especially the way my contract with the owner is set up is if this equipment's not running, I can't bill it. So having that full-time technician to diagnose problems, get a lead on things is a great help.
Okay. But some of that equipment is Tier 4 equipment, so Komatsu or Road Machinery, whoever handles that complimentary. Was that a factor at all?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I mean, that just goes right back to cost. It's mainly about safety. A lot of contractors can't get approved because their TRIR or their EMR is way too high. They don't have a good safety record, and this company is, safety first, production second.